We arrived at the station early, but our platform number wasn't showing. We had bought first class tickets, but we weren't sure of the food situation on board. And as we were buying some, our train arrived. Okay, you ready guys? Come.
Carriage 19.
Okay, your job, Emmy, is to hold his hand. So it's first class that way or that way? It was a long train, but it was easy enough to find our carriage.
Express platform number 6 से रवाना होगी.
So we're looking for A1. Okay, just wait 1 sec. That's home sweet home. Oh, we're moving.
Sit down, guys.
So it begins.